1 Corinthians 13:4. Charity suffereth long, and is kind. Charity envieth not. Charity vaunteth not itself, is not puffed up.
Charity is the first word, so a C is placed by the heart, saving the people on it like a float, made out of a 3, for the 3 in chapter 13. And suffereth is the 1, for the 1 in chapter 13, made stretched out long from the land, saving the people on the heart, made out of a royal blue 4, for verse 4, that you can think that the 1 is like a rope that is swimming and stretching out and suffering to save the people. To remember, this verse begins with charity suffereth. You can think both swim and stretch start with an S to help remember the S in suffereth, and the stretched out 1 you can think of for long. And is kind, you can think that it is very kind of the 1 and 3 to save the royal blue verse 4 people. Charity envieth not is the 3 made into a heart again for charity, that has a pair of eyes that are squinting, because we sometimes squint our eyes when we envy someone. The 1 is made going across this envying heart to illustrate a not sign, for charity envieth not. There is also a V in envieth, and if you add a line on the right side of the V to represent not, it makes a 4. So a royal blue 4 for verse 4 is drawn beside the envieth not heart. Charity vaunteth not itself. Since vaunteth means to boast and overvalue yourself, another 3 made into a heart for charity is drawn over the tree. The 1 is going across the heart to illustrate a not sign again, for charity vaunteth not itself. There is also a V at the beginning of vaunteth, so another royal blue 4 for verse 4 is made out of a V and a not sign and placed beside the vaunteth not itself heart. Is not puffed up is the 3 made into a puffed up heart that you can think is trying to go up into the tree, and a royal blue 4 is drawn beside it with the lines made into arrows going up to also represent up. The 1 going across the puffed heart again illustrates a not sign, for is not puffed up. You can tie these 2 together with the word up to think that the vaunteth heart is up in the tree, and this heart is puffed up and trying to go up in the tree too.